Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody's trying to make this and put black in both these tips, and I'm going to show you why or how you can. This is what you need to do, and it's a pretty good trick. We're going to make it ellipse and make it 12 inches. We're going to Control D and make another ellipse and make it 4. Now, to get a circle from that edge to that edge is 8 inches. So we're going to make Control, I don't know why that happened. We're going to Control D and make another circle 8 inches. 8 inches, not 80. Now, if you will Control D and make a duplicate of that, I don't think I did. Oh, I still got that 80-inch circle. So anything inside that circle is going to be grabbed. So let's take this circle. I'm pretty sure I don't have a duplicate of it. Don't. Control D. Hold down the Shift key and select the outside circle and hit L. Get the original copy, hold down the Shift key and select that outside circle and hit R. And then all you have to do is take away that line and that line. Now we're working in the center of the page, and that's a big advantage. I'm going to go ahead, and he wanted red, so let's use red. Now I would move this out of the way and then move this. So I'm nudging, so I'm going to nudge right back to the center. If we take our interactive fill tool, and if you will get like right up in here and then put darkness in here, you're going to control your darkness by this handle. And that's, I probably just did it by accident the first time, but this is going to control your darkness more and more and more. And then because we're working in the center of the page, Control D, Alternate C, and rotate it 180 degrees, and you get that look. I don't think it'll look any different with a black box around it, but we'll take a look. Looks a little bit different. It actually adds some three-dimensional flair to it. Anyway, so that's the only other way to do it would be split it in half and go 2 interactive fill, but you're always going to maybe have a line. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.